What is going on YouTube? Hit back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. I already know what you guys are going to say, so you can let me have it down in the comments. Now, unfortunately, I was only partially right with the break that we had to the upside. Whether correlation or causation was the reason for the rally, I don't know for certain. We managed to break out on a lot of these major cryptocurrencies within their 4-hour, fractals that we were showing here. You can see the clear higher low, lower high movements here, filling in the gap. And as we tighten this up here, you can see the actual breakout did happen here and we rallied to the upside. But unfortunately, what goes up must come down, and we've now fallen back down to pretty much previous lows, which is obviously not a good sign. But it goes even further than XRP. Even Ethereum has literally reversed and, pretty much undone everything that is already accomplished to now land us back inside the same descending fractal here. Same goes with Bitcoin, literally a complete pump fake bull trap right here, swinging us all the way back down to the downside here. So now we're at the point of what is going to happen? Are we going to continue to head down? Did we just reset and clear the board yet again? Or are we going to continue to head up? I don't know for sure. Obviously, everything is a game at this point where we're trying to guess as educated as we can possible, but obviously anything can happen. But we can take precautions by setting up stop losses and take profits and stuff like that. Regardless, we still made profit off this run. We had stop losses in place in case something like this would happen here. Obviously, we still took advantage of this. So the fact that we fell lower doesn't really affect us. Yeah, we didn't make as much profit if we continue to pump, but we didn't lose anything. And that's what you guys have to take, into consideration here. We had this nice little rally. The second we confirmed outside of this here, we bought in. And as we started to rally up, we moved our stop losses higher. We took out our profits and we re-entered the trade and set that stop loss up. So as we set it up, we were locking in profits here. And the second we broke through our moving average, this floor here, yes, that's when we got stopped out of this market here, but we were able to at least lock in a bit of profit. So that's what we have to talk about on a lot of these cryptos. What is going to happen here? I'm sure you guys are going to roast me in the comments today. Oh, we're already heading back down. I already was reading them as they were coming in yesterday as the market dipped down, but I still want to continue off with the fact that I am still bullish on a lot of these cryptos, and I'll explain more in a minute. But with all that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's jump into today's episode. So as you guys can see, I made a video yesterday. Things are getting a bit iffy. As why I made the video. XRP Ripple holders, XRP still looks promising, and this is why I'm still bullish on crypto. I still am bullish on XRP here. Yes, we saw a small reversal back to the downside here, but I'm still not too worried here. Now, looking on the crypto coin market cap, you can see we've literally reversed and undid everything that we've accomplished here. We had a beautiful bull run to the upside here, and we've now come all the way back down to the same support level. It's actually quite comical and funny that happened here. Trading flatlined out for weeks. See a major pump from the news article. Guess what? Buy the rumor, sell the news. Sold it, came right back down. We didn't head lower yet, but we're back down to that same floor. We're at the same floor. Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB is at the same floor. XRP is a little bit lower, which is a little annoying, but for the most part, we've practically undone everything that we accomplished, which is lovely. It is lovely. Now, I can understand why we pulled down a bit, because you can see every crypto on the 4-hour charts that we were watching, these small little fractals and things that we drew, was necessary to pull back. We kind of needed this to correct downwards here because we were overbought. You can see we retested overbought on XRP. We became literally overbought on Ethereum on the 4-hour, and we were extremely overbought on Bitcoin on the 4-hour. So to see all these correct us lower was not necessarily a surprise, but my biased bullish opinion wanted us to continue to see that run. But again, nothing has literally said, okay, time to switch to a bear market. As you can see here, we're now right back down, actually, if not lower than where we started from, trading at 30 on the RSI, which is extremely oversold and usually a good sign of potential recovery here. And I'm still a strong believer that we are going to recover. I think this drop happened very fast, very quickly, and it's due to reverse back up. That's truly my opinion on the way these markets are moving here. And it's not just XRP, but as you guys can see, we're trading on the 4-hour. We got right in in, and then we got right out, got stopped out. Little bit of profit on XRP, but where we really got profit was Ethereum and Bitcoin here. So now that we've consolidated back down, it's a bit annoying. I'll definitely agree to that. And yesterday we closed right on support. Today will basically be a decision day here, but we have seen a little bit of candles close this below. Regardless, we do have this uptrend in blue, and this is really what's going to deter what's going to happen in the markets here. We didn't really, you can see this little flare that we had, didn't really do much on the RSI. It moved us from like 34 to 40 and then back down to 33. But again, you can see we're still at the low here. We had a bullish cross on the MACD. We're still trading very low on the markets here. And there's still tons of potential for a break to the upside here. Truly, I think there is. Now, could we play around with the top resistance? Is it possible? Yeah, we could maybe play around like this. I still think that's accurate in my opinion. This could very well be something to look at here. You can see we're still hitting top resistances. 1, 2, here's 3. I'm going to delete these. I think it's unnecessary now, but we're still filling in the gap here. I'd really like to see how this plays out because I still believe there's very little time left on XRP to make a decision. But again, if we can close above here on the daily, I still suspect a big rally. I mean, obviously I can be wrong. As you guys know, we could very well fall off a cliff and dump to the downside. Is it likely? I think not. I more so would suspect a reversal up. That's truly what I would suspect, is a reversal back to the upside here. I'm very confident that we're still going to see this pump, but that's what I'm going to ride on, and that's what I'm going to bet on. Now, obviously, I do all these trades on BidFi, which is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi lets you buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits, every single thing you can think of on BidFi here. You can see right down here, we have the close positions, trailing stop losses. We have take profits and stop losses right here. Applies to the entire position. TP and SL automatically cancels after closing. A market order is triggered when the stop price is reached, and the order will be rejected if the position size exceeds the max market order. So tons of opportunities on here to trade around with perpetual trading on XRP, pretty much all the cryptocurrencies that you want, you know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, DOT, everything that you can see here. And then there's tons of others. You have USDT trading, which should have a lot more altcoins to trade around with here. As I pull it up, you can see if it loads tons, and I mean tons of altcoins here. I mean, basically it's endless here. Everything to USDT, which is what I like. So you have all these altcoins and all these major cryptocurrencies here that you can trade around with here. You can buy long, you can sell short, which is prominent and key to shorting these cryptocurrencies. Good till canceled, ILC. There's literally everything is offered on here. Now, they did revamp and update the way BidFi looks here, which is totally fine with me. The only thing they did is they accidentally removed the demo account, and I've already spoken to management, and they said they'll be adding that back ASAP. They didn't mean to delete it. So that will be re-added to the website very soon. So keep your eyes peeled on that, and I'll update you when that comes. But what's even cooler is they are offering a welcome rewards bonus of up to $2,888 in completely free bonus money just by signing up with the links down in the description below. So make sure to check out BidFi down in the description below if you want to sign up and get free cryptocurrency for BidFi down below. And you can also copy my trades as well as test your own trades right here. And eventually you'll be able to practice when they re-add the demo account. But moving forward from XRP and Ethereum here, looking at the markets, look at how funny the way Ethereum is trading here. Like, look at how we could just like kind of move this up a little bit and how we're like still within this kind of fractal here. It's almost like we're still inside of it. Like we've literally undid everything we did here. What shot us up, shot us right back down. It's real funny if you ask me. So it's like we're back down in here. We have to ignore this major reversal that we had here and still pay attention to what we're going to do. Now, if we jump to the daily, you can kind of get a bit more clarity as to why we rejected. You can see where that clear rejection was. We've been trying to break back inside this ascending fractal, something that's been on Ethereum for a very long time here. And yes, we still capitalized off this big bull run to the upside here. We still locked in profits by creating those stop losses, but we did reverse down here. So we did clearly reject off this resistance, which is what we really need to get back inside. And I still think that's what's going to happen here. Maybe this is foul play. Maybe this was manipulation across the board, but I'm still confident that we should be able to get back inside of here. And I still believe we are going to head back up, not only for Ethereum, but for Bitcoin as well. And I'll show you that in a second here. Let me just put this back for tomorrow. And as you guys can see on Bitcoin, the same freaking pattern is also happening. Look at this. If I literally extend this out ever so slightly, we're still in the same pattern. How peculiar. Oh, not what I wanted to do. Look at this. literally back inside the same fractal. It don't get any funnier than that. So this we literally have to ignore. This major bull run that we locked in on profits, not what I wanted to do. What goes up must come down. We're back same smack dab inside of here right here. And you can see we're now trading inside of this fractal here. And I still believe that we are going to see that reversal to the upside here before you know it. So my eyes are still peeled on these markets. Yes, we did get stopped out of a little bit of profit, but I'm still not worried here. We're still at the bottom support of our beautiful ascending fractal here. And I'm still a firm believer that we are going to rally up. You can see we are on an uptrend here and we are sloping up. Yes, we had a bunch of manipulation earlier, in the week, but that doesn't mean we're bearish yet. Truly, I still think we have a very good possibility of seeing that bullish run to the upside here. And honestly, that's my opinion on this market. And I think it's going to follow through with the S&P because the S&P broke us outside of this downtrend here. So I think this is due to continue this rally up towards the end of the year. But with that all being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.